Hey, it's me, Astro, and today I'm gonna tell you how to breed the furcorn on Light Island. Okay, so what you do is you take Mammoth and Potbelly. You should already know this because Light Island is kind of an end game island. So if you actually need this as a tutorial, I have no idea why you would need this as a tutorial. I mean, like, the tutorial at the beginning of the game basically tells you already how to breed everything. You just look in the store, see its elements, and you grab the monsters with those elements. That's it. That's all you do. It tells you that at the beginning of the game. I don't understand why you'd ever need this tutorial. This is like the most useless tutorial ever. So yeah, guys, that's how you breed the Light Island furcorn. It's exactly the same as every other island. So I don't know why you'd need to breed it on Light Island specifically, but yeah, there you go. Okay, bye.